Hey guys, so someone wrote here on Twitch is that Twitch SMS code is not sending, and if you're looking for the solution of this, I found this Reddit thread and someone wrote it here. Okay guys, I got into the Twitch. You have to install the Authy app off whatever phone. Here is the long download. So you want to download this app, the Authy, two-factor authentication, and then add your number that is associated with the account and verify it through the email. Then when you do this, Twitch should show up in the account, but it has to be the exact number down to area code or it won't work. Hope it helps someone. Good luck. So this is something that you can try to do, and I hope it's going to work for you. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.